Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to do the air filter from Nissan Primaster 2022. This is the air filter, and what we have to do, have to open this one, this one, this one, this one. Take it there, and there we go. This is the air filter. Just open this, and I'll tell you how to do. Okay, we unscrewed 1, 2, 3 like this, and the clip is out. Yep, that's it. This is the filter. We have to change that. Okay, we just press this and take it out and unscrew it and just twist it and just come out. Just put it on the side. There is a clip. Yeah. Show you this clip. We're gonna change the new filter. Just lift up. That's the dirty one. And just here a little bit. Blow air in it and just press it like this. Yeah. That's it. Now put this back on, reverse back. Those clips, 2 clips that should go inside the clip, and just tight these 1, 2, 3. Put it back. That's it. There you go. Put this back again. That plug. You could hear the noise, and just press this. That's it. There you go. This is done. Just screw tight, and that's it. Okay, just plug that back. Tight this. Just make sure it's everything back in tight. There you go. Now put this back again on this one, and this one, on this one.